The European rabbit came to Sydney, Australia with the first fleet, who were the first settlers from England, in 1788. The first feral populations were recorded in 1827 after their introduction to Tasmania. Since then, there have been several instances where humans released rabbits into the wild, specifically Thomas Austin and his release of 24 rabbits into Barrow Park. Then the rabbits did what rabbits do best and multiplied, and by 1890, the rabbit population in Australia reached plague numbers. CISRO, the Commonwealth Scientific and Industrial Research Organization, is a government-funded organization that has taken on the responsibility of fixing this disaster. The rabbits have greatly affected the environment in Australia. The rabbits ring-bark the trees and eat the seedlings, giving the plant species no way of growing back, which causes soil erosion and land degradation. Their dominating population also drives other animals out of their habitats, and then they eat their food. This greatly affects the natural fauna and species of the area. Rabbits cost the Australian economy millions of dollars each year due to the competition with livestock for food. They eat the most nutritious grasses and leave none for the livestock, with the result of the animals dying. This decrease costs the economy millions and contributes to soil erosion and land degradation. The rabbit outbreak does not affect human health directly, but they do damage crops because of the soil erosion and land degradation that they cause, and this can create food shortages. The European rabbit invasion has not directly made a global impact. However, the Australian economy has weakened because of it, thus weakening their foreign relations. As a solution, the Western Australian government built the longest anti-rabbit fence in 1907, which reached from Sebastian Boat Harbour to Cape Codorong. The problem was that by the time that most of the rabbit-proof fences were finished, rabbits had already crossed into the area. In the 1950s, a virus called the Maxoma virus was introduced by the Australian government and by CIRO. After scientists altered the virus to be species-specific, it was released at 5 different field sites in the Murray River Valley. Eventually, the virus lost its effect and the populations recovered due to the survival of rabbits that had natural resistance to the virus. CIRO then introduced the European rabbit fleet in 1957 and again in 1966 to try to give the virus a kickstart again. However, this was unsuccessful. Finally, in 1993, the Spanish rabbit fleet was introduced, but the fleas died out in the hot rangelands. Although the rabbits still proved to be a problem, the more effective methods of control include poisoning, hunting, and warren ripping, otherwise known as burrow destruction.